Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7 and today I am going to describe the second part of the chapter number 5 Princess September, and I have already described and uploaded the first part of this chapter. First of all, you should watch the first part and then you should start the second part for the clear story. Okay, let us start the second part without wasting our time. The second part is from there. Okay, let us start the second part. Princess September loves the bird far too much to take chances and act upon her sister's advice. Means Princess September loves her bird too much and she did not want to lose it like her parrot. So she hastily acted upon her sister's advice. The bird cannot overcome the loss of freedom. Means the bird was not happy to become a slave and to lose of his freedom. Princess September decides to put the bird's happiness above her own. At the last, Princess September decides to free him, and she wanted to give the bird's happiness to him. Okay, let us start the second part. It seemed to Princess September that her little bird had been away a long time. Sometime might have this happened to him. What with hawks? Their hawks means a bird of prey with broad rounded wings and a long tail, typically taking a prey by a surprise with a short cases and with snare. A snare means traps for catching birds or animals. You never knew what trouble he might get into. Besides, he might forget her or he might take a fancy. Fancy means feel or desire or liking for to somebody else. That would be dreadful. Dreadful means causing or involving great suffering or unhappiness or extremely bad or serious. The meaning of dreadful. She wished he were safely back again. Okay, listen the explanation of this paragraph. After some time, Princess September noticed that it has been quite long since her little bird left. She began worrying that something unfortunate must have happened to him. With all the hawks means a huge bird and traps that out there for the little birds. She even began thinking of the possibilities of him forgetting about September or that he might develop a liking for somebody else. How trivial it would be, she thought to herself. She only wished for him to come back safely to her. Now I'm going to explain the second paragraph, means next paragraph after this one. Suddenly, September heard a tweet tweet. Tweet tweet, it is the sound of a bird just behind her ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on the shoulder. He had come in so quietly and alight so softly that she had not heard him. Quietly means calmly, and alight means very slightly. or came down. Okay, listen. As Princess September was thinking above the bird, she suddenly heard a tweet tweet. Means it's the sound of a bird from behind her ear. She found that the little bird sitting on her shoulders and he had come in a softly and without making a sound that she couldn't sense him sitting on her shoulder. I wondered what on earth had become of you, said the princess. I thought you had wondered that, said the little bird. This fact, uh, this fact is, I nearly did not come back tonight at all. My father in law was giving a party and they all wanted me to stay, but I thought you had be anxious. Anxious means worried. Okay, listen the explanation of these lines. The princess told the bird that she was worried about him, and the bird, on the other hand, expressed that he was aware that the princess would be worried and that was the reason he came back. He told her that he almost did not come back that night because his father in law was hosting a party and no one wanted him to leave. But he came back only because he knew September would be worried about him. So he had to come to near the princess. Okay, next paragraph. Under the circumstances means situations. This was a very unfortunate remark for the little bird to make. September felt her heart go thumped against her chest, and she made up mind to take no more risks. She put up her hand and took hold of the bird. The bird suspected nothing and he was so surprised when she carried him over to the cage. Listen these lines means, and after it I will tell you the other lines meaning. Their heart go to thumped against her chest. It means if your heart thumped, it beat more strongly and quickly than usual because of the exercise, fear, or excitement. Something might be. At that moment, when Princess September's mind was filled with doubt already, it was very unlucky on behalf of the bird to have made that statement. She felt her heartbeat getting faster and she decided to not be exposed to any type of risk. So she got hold of the birds in her hand in her hand and she went to took him toward the cage. At first the bird did not suspect or doubt a thing, but upon seeing the cage popped him in and shut the door on him. He that for a moment he couldn't think of nothing to say, but in a moment or two he hopped up to the every preach and said, what is a joke? Okay, listen. these lines meaning. At the first, the bird did not suspect a thing, but upon seeing the case, he was shocked. September put him into the case. Popped him means put him, and locked him at that time. The bird could not understand what was happening with him, but in a moment or two he got into his sense, jumped. Hope means hoped. Hoped means jumped up. But into or after some time he jumped onto the Avery Bridge and asked September what was going on. He thought it was some joke. She was playing with him. There was no joke, said September, but some of Mamma's cat are prowling about tonight, and I think you are much safer in there. September told him that it was not joke and that she was worried about him as her mother's cats were supposed to be roaming around that night in search of prey. The bird agreed to stay inside of the case for only this time. Well, just for there once I don't mind, said the little bird, so long as you let me in out on in the morning. When the bird listened this thing about Mamma's cat of the princess, the bird agreed to stay inside the case for only this particular night, only this time, with a condition that she would have to let him free out the next morning. Okay, listen the next line's meaning and let's next line. I don't know what, sorry, from there. He ate a very good supper and then began to sing. But in the middle of his song, he stopped. I don't know what is the matter with me, he said, but I don't feel like singing tonight. Then the bird had a very fulfilling evening meal and began singing. He expressed that he did not feel like singing that night and he stopped in his middle of the song. Very well, said September. Go to sleep inside instead. So he put his hat under his wings and in a minute was fast asleep. September went to sleep too. But when the dawn broke, she was awakened by the little bird calling her at the top of the voice. September, listen the explanation of these lines. September had no problem with that and rather she advised him to go to sleep instead. Thus he put his head under his wings, means I'm talking about the bird, and went to sleep in about a minute. And after this, September too went to sleep. Sorry. Their dawn means the first appearance the light in the sky before sunshine. Means Dawn means it is a time of early morning from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Okay, listen. At Snups, she was forced to wake up by the voice of the bird, who was calling her in the loudest voice. Wake up, he said. Open the door of this case and let me out. I want to have a good fly while the dew is still on the ground. Dew means teeny drops of water that form in a cool surface at night when atmospheric vapor or coldness condenses. It is the meaning of dew. He was asking her to wake up and let him out of the cage he so that he could have a good fly before the dew disappeared from the ground. But what was September said to the bird? Listen, you are much better off where you are, said September. Let me out, let me out, said the little bird. Listen. Then September replied to the bird that by staying in the cage, he was at an advantage. The little bird asked her to let him out from the cage and he tried to slip through the bars of the cage but of course couldn't and he beat against the door but of course he couldn't it open it that the eight princes came and looked at him. They told September she was very wise to take their advice. The little bird asked her to let him open and even tried to slip out of the bars, but he failed. And he even beat against the door, but the door didn't open. Meanwhile, the eight princes, means sisters of the Princess September, came and as they looked at the bird inside the cage, they appreciated September for taking their advice. Okay, listen. Yes, from there. They told September she was very wise to take their advice, and they said he would soon get used to the case and few days would quite forget he had even ever been free. Listen these lines meaning. Then the eight sisters of Princess September admired her task and they told to Princess September that it was only a matter of some days. And after some days, he got used to the case, and when he would completely forget about his freedom. The little bird said nothing at all while they were there. But as soon as they were gone, he began to cry again, let me out, let me out. The tiny bird remained quiet in front of the eight sisters of the Princess September. But when they went out in from the room of the Princess September, the little bird crying again in front of the Princess September, and he said to Princess September, please let me free. Let me out from the cage. He began crying for his freedom in front of the Princess September. Okay, listen. Don't be such an old silly, said September. I have put you in the case because I am so fond of you. Fond of you means like him too much. I know what is good for you much better than you do yourself. Sing me a little song and I will give you a piece of sugar. Then September asked him to stop being silly and understand that she was doing it because she liked him too much. She claimed to know it better than himself about what was actually good for him. She asked him to sing a little song for her, and after this, she would get a piece of sugar. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage looking out a blue sky and never sang a note. What is the good of sulking? Sulking means be silent or annoyed or disappointed, said September. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? How can I sing? Answered the bird. And I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. I will take you out every day, she said. It is not the same thing, said the little bird. The rice field and the lake and the willow tree look quite different when you see them through the bar of the case. Okay, listen. These lines means the little bird stood on the edge of the case as he gazed at the blue sky. He did not sing a note. September explained to him that staying sad would him no good. Rather, he should sing because it would make him forget about his problems. The bird expressed that it was nearly impossible for him to sing in a case when he actually wanted to watch the trees, the lake, and the green rice fields that were growing in the fields. He was uh, asking about the green rice. September offered to take him out every day, but the bird was not convinced as it would not be the same for him. According to him, there was no pleasure in seeing the rice field, the lake, and the willow tree through the bar of the case. Okay, listen. Next lines and the meaning of the next lines. The bird would not sing a song and he wouldn't eat a thing. That the princess was little anxious, anxious means worried at this, and asked her sister what they thought about it. You must be firm. Firm means unlikely to change. They said, but if he won't eat, he will die. She answered, that would be very ungrateful of him. They said, he must know that you are only thinking of his own good. If he is obstinate means stubbornly refuse to change one's opinion or chosen course of action. And dies, it will serve him right and you will be well rid of him. Okay, listen, these lines mean the bird refused to eat and he would not even sing. He made September a bit concerned and she thought about taking advice from her sisters. Her sister suggested that She should stay strong and unbothered. But September was worried that the little bird would die if he did not eat anything. Her sister thought it would be very unthankful of him because he must realize that whatever Princess September was doing was for his good, his own good. If he still remained stubborn and died because of it, it would only do justice, and the princess would also get rid of someone who was unappreciative of her effort. September did not see how that was going to do her very much good, but they were 8 to 1 and all older than she, so she said nothing. Perhaps he will have go used to his case by tomorrow, she said. Okay, listen, these lines means, and after this, September, on the other hand, failed to see how their advice was of any good. But she gave them a benefit of the doubt, as they were all older than her and more in number. She was just hoped that the bird would get used to the case by the following days. Okay, listen. Next paragraph and the explanation of the next paragraph. And next day, when she awoke, she cried out good morning in cheerful voice. She got no answer. She jumped out of the bed and ran to the case. She gave a startled cry. Startled means crying bitterly. She gave a startled cry, for there the little bird lay. And startled means you can say feeling or showing sudden shock or alarm. The following day, Princess September woke up in the cheerful mood, in a very happy mood, and wished good morning to the little bird in an exacting voice or exciting voice. When she received no answer from the bird's side, and she intently got out of her bed and rushed toward the cage. The princess cried out of shock as she saw the little bird laying on one side at the bottom of the cage. With his eyes closed, and he looked as if he were dead. She opened the door and putting her hand and lifted him out. She gave a sob of relief, for she felt that his little heart was beating still. There, sob. Sob means crying noisily or making loud. Okay, listen, these lines means the princess cried out of shock as she saw the little bird laying on one side at the bottom of the case. His eyes were closed, which made her think he was dead. The princess opened the case and lifted him out in her hand, and she cried tears of relief when she felt his heart beat. She gently asked to the bird. What she asked? Wake up, little bird, she said. She began to cry, and her tears fell on the little bird's. He opened his eyes and saw that the bars of the cage were no longer around him. I can't sing unless I am free. And if I cannot sing, I die. He said. The princess gave a great sob. Okay, listen. These lines means, and after this, princess gently asked him to wake up. And when he did not, she began weeping. And when her tears fell upon him, he opened his eyes. When he saw that he was no longer caged by bars, he began speaking. He told to princess that he cannot sing in the cage, and if he would not sing, he will definitely die. And this made the princess cry even louder. When the princess listened this thing, she uh, crying loudly. Then take our your freedom, she said. I shut you in a golden case because I love you and I wanted to have you all to myself. But I never knew it would kill you. I love you enough to let you be happy in your own way. Okay, listen, these lines means she offered him his freedom and she confessed that she locked him into the case because she loved him too much and wanted to have him all by herself, and she did not know that her action could kill him. And she opened the window and softly placed the bird on the foot of the window. And she shook himself. Come and go as you will, little bird, she said. I will never put you into the case any more. And the princess told him that he was free to come and go as he pleased and that she would never lock him into the case. I will come because I love you, little princess, said the bird, and I will sing you the loveliest song I know. I shall go far away. But I shall always come back and I shall never forget you. He gave himself another shake. God, good gracious me, how stiff I am! He exclaimed. There the meaning of good gracious exclamation of surprise and dismay or alarm, and meaning of stiff is non-flexible. Okay, listen this paragraph's meaning. The bird replied and told the princess, that he would definitely come back as he loved her too. He promised that he would sing the most amazing song for her, and he said that it was important for him to fly away, but he assured her, he promised her that he would always come back and would never forget her. And he shook himself again and exclaimed surprisingly about how stiff he had been lately. Then the he opened his wing and flew right away into the blue. But the little princess burst into the tears. Burst means crying bitterly. For it is very difficult to put the happiness of someone you loved before your own. And with her little bird far out of the sight, she felt all of the sudden very lonely. Lonely means solitary or alone. When her sister knew what had happened, they mocked. Mocked means teased or laughed at in a scornful or contemptuous manner. Mocked her and said that the little bird would never return. But he did at the last, and he sat on the September's shoulder and ate out her hand and sang her beautiful song, and he had learned while he was flying up and down the fair places of the world. September kept her window open day and night so that the little bird might come into her room whenever he felt inclined. And this was a very good for her. So she grew extremely beautiful. Okay, listen these lines or this paragraph's meaning. The bird spread open his wings and flew straight into the blue sky. The little princess, on the other hand, began crying miserably, as it is very difficult for one to put the happiness of someone you love before your own. And with her little bird no longer in sight, she felt lonely. When her eight sisters got to know all about what was happened, they made fun of her and told her that would her bird would never come back. But he did. But the bird returned, and he would sit on September's shoulder and eat out of her hand. He sang the most beautiful, most loveliest song for her, and he had learned while he was flying above the fair places of the world. The little princess never closed the window of her room. She opened her window all time. Means she opened the window in daytime or nighttime also, so as to allow the bird to come in as he desired. This also proved to be amazing for her, and she grew up to be immensely pretty and graceful. Means Princess September became very beautiful in her youth. Okay, now I'm going to take next paragraph, and it is last paragraph of the chapter. And when she was old enough, she married to the king of Cambodia and was carried on the white elephant all the way of the city in which the king lived. But her sister never slept with their window open, so they grew extremely ugly as well as disagreeable. Disagreeable means unpleasant. And when the time came to marry them off, they were given away to the king counselors with a pound of tea and Siamese cat. Pound means a unit of weight of something. Okay, listen the last paragraph's meaning and explanation. When the little princess grew old enough, means I'm talking about here the Princess September. She got married to King of Cambodia and she rode a white elephant. It was very rare. Means I'm talking about the white elephant here. It was very rare, and to the city where the king lived. Her eight sisters, on the other hand, never kept open their windows at the night, so they grew up to be ugly and unpleasant. Upon reaching their age, they were given away, or in other words, married to the king's counselor with some teas and Siamese cats. So, thus the story finished here. So, I hope you all understand the chapter and the part 2. If you feel any problem regarding to this part and regarding to this chapter, so you all will leave a comment on my YouTube channel and tell me about it. And if you all understand it, so like the video and comment the video also about your thoughts, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also for the others video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.